Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mitsubishi Lancer's hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the vehicle's cabin. This lever is usually situated on the driver's side, often near the kick panel or under the dashboard. Give the lever a firm pull towards you. You should hear a distinct pop sound, indicating that the primary latch has disengaged. This action partially releases the hood, preparing it for the next step. Now move to the front of your Mitsubishi Lancer. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, directly under the center of the hood's front edge. You'll be looking for a small lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch, designed to prevent the hood from flying open unexpectedly. It's a crucial safety feature that requires manual release. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to manipulate it to fully open the hood. Depending on your Lancer model, you might need to push it upwards, pull it towards you, or slide it to the left or right. Many models feature a small lever that slides horizontally. With the secondary latch disengaged, the hood will now be completely free to lift. Be gentle as you perform this step. With both latches released, you can now carefully lift the hood all the way up. It's often heavier than expected, so use both hands if necessary. Once the hood is fully open, locate the hood prop rod. This slender metal rod is usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Extend the prop rod and securely insert its end into the designated hole or slot on the engine bay frame, ensuring the hood remains safely open.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.